Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Pixie again, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Pixie. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever you happen to be doing right now. I hope you're doing it fabulously. I hope you're staying safe and sane and taking care of yourself and your loved ones. And if you do still have to work, I hope you're also staying safe, and thank you for what you do. Welcome to another awkward video, of course, because all we do here is awkward. And cheers. So tonight I got a package from my dear friend Kathleen. She's near and dear to my heart. We have been friends for, I want to say, about 20 years, if not more, probably since definitely since Livejournal, however long it's been since then. And she always sends me these really fun packages. So when she told me she was sending me a box, I did not expect this box. It is huge, it is heavy. I have no idea what's in it. I have a couple of ideas just because she asked me what size I was, but I literally have not opened it. I do not know anything about the contents. I just know that it's very heavy and very big. And I will leave her Instagram down below. She does a lot of art and photography. Please check her out. She is so talented and she's such a sweet person. And thank you so much, Kathleen, for sending me this. You know, as always, you don't have to do this, but you know I always enjoy the stuff you send me, and I will have a package coming your way as soon as all this calms down and I can actually go out to the post office here. So yeah, we'll just get right into it and do another awkward video. So yay, let's get started. So what I'm going to do, because this box is so big and it's so heavy, I'm just going to open the top because it literally says open this end. And then we're just going to start pulling stuff out, and we're going to see what kind of goodies and surprises we have inside. And I'm always excited because she always sends me beautiful, beautiful things. And yeah, we'll get right into it. Okay, and we are back. I actually had to take the off camera to actually get into this box because the tape was really tough, but we're just going to go right into the box and we're just going to start pulling stuff out. I'm super excited to see what Kathleen sent me, and I hope you enjoy it too because I have no idea what's in this box, and we all love surprises and we all love unboxings. Let's just do it. Stop being awkward, Sarah. Stop talking. Alright, let's go. Okay, the first thing I pulled out is this little egg, which I can already see there's some goodies in it. So I'm going to, thank goodness my razor's right here because it is taped closed. Aww. And the first thing I see is this little cat, which is super cute. Aww. And I miss my car so much because I would put toys all over the dashboard and this would have been perfect. So I wonder if I'll get permission from my mom to decorate her dashboard while I have her car. And there are some stickers in here. These are super cute. I'm going to put these on my laptop. And it looks like she printed them, possibly. And just various artwork. And there's a cute little cat collar, which I'm probably going to put on Lily as soon as this video is done recording, because that is adorable. And yeah, my cat just suffers in vanity for me. I buy her fancy collars, so this is really cute. Oh, it has a little bow and studs and rhinestones on it. And oh my gosh, there's a Disney pin. It's Lucifer. Yes. Hi Lucifer. You are going on my Disney bag. And we have some owl charms. There's 4 of them. I cannot wait to make jewelry with these. There's a pink one, a white one, yellow, and green. These are so adorable. Oh, Kathleen just knows me. Thank you. And then we have a mermaid necklace. This is a little bit tangled. And then the other necklace that's kind of wrapped around it is this cute little black and silver flower design. So I will untangle those later. And this is really cool. Vinyl resting place, California. Handmade pieces from vinyl records. Etsy shop. Vinyl resting place. That is so cool. I'll have to check out this shop. Oh my gosh, I'm already loving this, and I only pulled out the one thing. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. So we have Lucky O Pooper, and it is a leprechaun that poops out candy or gum. That is so funny. And so random. I love it. Oh, and then we have this giant bag of Kodak slides. This will take forever to go through, but I'll have to look at all of them and just see what they are and try to figure out a craft to do with these, because these are really neat. Maybe I can do like a collage like I did with the tarot cards in a couple videos back. If you haven't checked that out, please feel free to, but these are super cool. I can't wait to see what kind of photos are on that. It's a huge bag of them. Ah, that's so much fun. And then we have a little makeup bag with the mermaid reversible sequins. I really like that, and there's something in here. Oh my goodness, there's so much stuff in here. I see a ton of stickers. There's a little button. That's definitely going on my Disney bag for sure. And we have Jolie Cosmetics lip gloss in a nice red color. Oh, I love this bag, it's so cute. I love reversible sequins. And we have a little coin purse that says Louis Vuitton. There we go. Yay. You can always use coin purses and makeup bags. And this little leaf ornament that I'm going to probably hang somewhere in this room to give it a little punch of color. It's really pretty. And then a ton of stickers. I'll have to go through all these and put them on my laptops. So I will go through those later, and two cute little pouches for goodies. And let's see, a cute little gift bag with these foil butterflies on it. That is so cute. I might cut the bag up and use that as a background in one of my journals, but that is so adorable. And we have another cute pouch with a mermaid perfume bottle. It actually says Ariel, so it's a Disney little pouch. That would be good for like my cell phone or something for my purse. Oh, it almost fits, but I would still use it. That is super cute. Disney, yay! And then I pulled out this little smock apron. This will be fun for when I'm crafting. And I'll probably cover it in fabric paint and studs and punk it out, but that's really nice to have. It's a basic cover-up, so I don't get my clothes all gross when I'm crafting, because I'm messy. Oh, this is the noise I heard. It's a vintage Pepsi Cola tin plate. That is really cool. It has the lady with her Pepsi. That is so neat. I love stuff like this. My husband will hate it because he's a Coca-Cola fan, but I will put that somewhere on display. Super excited about that. I don't drink soda, but I was raised on Pepsi, so if I had to pick, it'd probably be Pepsi. And we have some more slides. These are really fun. I cannot wait to see the different images all these have. So I have 2 bags of those. And then we have a jar of goodies. I can see jewelry pieces in here. Oh, there's another button. Shop small. Totally agree with that. Again, going on my Disney bag. And then I just see some jewelry pieces in here and some more buttons. So true. Definitely true. And yeah, a bunch of jewelry pieces in here, so I'll have to go through these later. And then we have, last but not least, there's a couple more things, but we have more slides. This is going to take a while, so this might be a separate video, but there's more Kodak photo slides in here. There's a lot of those, so I'm excited to go through those and figure out like a craft to do with those. And then we have a little soap dish that is super cute. That's Nicole Miller. I see it on the bottom already. I have a lot of Nicole Miller's makeup, so that is really neat. And I have a little soap dish of her. This is going straight into the bathroom as soon as I'm done with this video. That's really cute. And And then I have little pieces of, oh, it's like a chibi Pocahontas cutouts. These are so freaking adorable. I'm gonna have to use those for something. Probably another collage. There'll be a video, I'm sure. And then we have a little Rainbow Dash, little chibi toy. She's super cute. Oh my gosh, I love her. Her little wings move. Aww. And then we have this little deer guy from Starbucks, little ornament. Oh my gosh, how cute is he? That is just, oh my gosh, he's all felt. I love him. I'm gonna name him. Or her. Aww, that is so cute. Oh my goodness. And then last but not least, I have a letter. Dear Pixi, I hope you like everything in the box. There's a little bit of everything in here. The slide film could be used for jewelry, lampshades, and curtains, etc. Happy crafting and upcycling. Love, Kathleen. Thank you so much, Kathleen. I love everything. I'm so surprised. Everything is so cute. I can't wait to finally look at those slides when I'm done with this video and just figure out what to do with them. And I'll definitely do a video on that. I really appreciate the gift. It was so kind-hearted and thoughtful, and I'm so excited to play with everything. I will definitely have some videos coming up. I'm already feeling inspired by what you sent me, and I'm gonna play around. It's gonna be so much fun. Yay! So it's like you cured some of my quarantine boredom. This package was so perfect and perfect timing. I really appreciate it. And yeah, thank you again. And if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. I always talk about how to be yourself and like what makes you happy and wear what makes you happy. Don't let anybody get you down if you're being yourself, as long as it's not hurting anybody. And if you like this kind of content, if you like hauls, Disney, thrift with me's, cats, wander around with me. I do a lot of vlogs, I do a lot of crafty stuff, and I do a lot of fashion stuff. If you like this kind of content and you have not yet, feel free to subscribe, hit the little bell down below, hit the thumbs up, comment, do all the things that you're supposed to do when you like somebody on YouTube, or don't. If you don't like me, then yeah, whatever. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys very, very soon. Pixi out.